36 District Court is back in session with Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no walking around, talking, sleeping, eating, driving, drinking, in and out the camera. When your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Timothy Donnelly, ticket number U2385425. Count one, narcotic paraphernalia possession. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Possession of hypodermic syringes or needles prohibited. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Timothy Donnelly. He was with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, Mr. Donnelly.
Unmute your device, Mr. Donnelly. Unmute.
Timothy Donnelly, I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor. Today is the date and time scheduled for a trial. And it is my understanding that the officer to appear for Mr. Donnelly, I'm making a motion to move for a dismissal of charges.
All right, this matter is set for trial at 9 o'clock at 10:19. No officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Donnelly. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. So do I have to do anything more?
Just leave, press the button, leave.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Mhm.
Appreciate you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Michael Dawes, ticket number SP 1069683. Count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Count two, I'm sorry, ticket number U3263501. Count one, disorderly conduct. Ticket number 1841821. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket count one, no operator's license on person. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Martinez. Please yell.
Officer Martinez, badge 788.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Michael Dawes, who's with this court via Zoom. Your Honor, today is a date and time scheduled for trial on several of these matters. I am acknowledging that Officer Martinez is here for case number U3263501. I would move for a motion to dismiss on case number SP 1069681 for Mr. Dawes. The officer has failed to appear, as well as count 184182102 and 1841821 count one, Officer McClendon, and it's approximately 10:21 a.m.
All right, those matters are dismissed without prejudice.
And yes,
go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, and in reference to the remaining charge, which is disorderly conduct, I have spoken with my client in reference to his right to a trial on this matter, recognizing that the officer is present. The offer provided by the prosecutor is a plea for a delayed sentence for the disorderly conduct, and my client wishes to avail himself of that 3-month delay sentence, whereas he understands that as long as he does not get in any trouble or get any new cases within 3 months, this charge will be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dawes. Unmute yourself. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear? Say your name first, please.
Unmute, Mr. Dawes. Unmute your phone, Mr. Dawes.
Michael Dawes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Irby, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 9, 2016 at 12:45 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Adelaide and Brush in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Irby?
Yes, satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied on the factual basis, will accept the admission, will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Dawes. So you're gonna have to come back in 3 months which that date will be June sixth at 8:35. During that time, you need to pay a fine of $200. You can't get any more tickets. So no citations, essentially no further police contact. If you do that, when we come back, this will be dismissed off your record as well. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Do you remember your next court date?
June 6th.
Yes, at 8:35. So you're all
Thank
set,
you, Your
sir.
Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you, Officer Martinez. This is the People versus Sam Dorch, ticket number SP 1390591, count one, consuming alcohol in public. Ticket number 11467784, count one, drove a license not valid or a proper license. Ticket number U50011009, count one, disorderly conduct. Ticket number 09422795, count one, the fail to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count two, driving registered or entitled vehicle. And count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Mitchell.
Good morning, Officer Mitchell.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Sam Dorch, who's with this court via Zoom. Mr. Dorch, please state your name for the record.
Sam Dorch.
Yes, Your Honor, today is the date and time scheduled for a trial. I would like to acknowledge the fact that Officer Mitchell is present for case number SP 1390591, count one. And I would like to move for a motion to dismiss for counts 116777841, case U50011009, 094227951, count two, and count three. I would like to move dismissal on those counts, Your Honor, on those cases, Your Honor.
Okay, so those matters are dismissed without prejudice as they were set for trial at 9 o'clock and 10:25, and no officers have appeared.
And yes, Your Honor, I have had the chance to speak with my client, advising him of his rights and his right to a trial in this matter. And acknowledging Officer Mitchell's presence, my client would like to take advantage of the plea offer that's been provided by the prosecutor in reference to the alcohol-related violation, whereas he would be pleading to a delayed sentence for 6 months for that charge, and the other counts are dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dorch. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Irby, in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or allowed you in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And know that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Hear you. Repeat that.
Knowing that
I hear
you're
you.
waiving, knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of September 24th, 2022 at 6:36 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Essex and Kitchener in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you consume alcohol in public?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Ms. Irby?
Yes, I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be, this is a 6-month delayed sentence. So you're gonna come back on, give me one moment. You're gonna come back on September 5th at 8:35. During that time, you need to pay a fine of $200.
Yes.
You can't get any more tickets during this time, so essentially no further police contact. When you come back on your next court date of September 5th at 8:35 and you've paid the fine, this will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Do you remember your next court date?
September 5th.
All right, so you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Thank you, Officer Mitchell.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, we have Mr. Dixon that's present. He has valid documentation.
This is the People versus Preston Dixon, ticket number SP 1397399, count one, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Preston Dixon, who is with this court via Zoom.
Say your name, Mr. Dixon.
Preston Dixon.
Yes, Your Honor. Today is a date and time scheduled for a pre-trial for Mr. Dixon. I have had the opportunity to review the documentation and to accurately determine that he does have registration and it is valid, Your Honor.
All right, with that, you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. That's Mr. Dixon has provided valid documentation. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And Darnell, I can bring out number 7, Jessica.
That's her name?
Yes, Judge. Jessica Demuri. Well, it's Demuri. Demuri. I know.
Okay.
Okay. Ms. Daniels is late. She just signing in. Ms. Daniels, turn on your video.
Oh, okay. There it is.
Ms. Daniels, why are you late?
I'm so sorry. So I thought my time was at 1:30 because that's the time that it was at last time.
Okay.
So I called and got information on it today, and I was told that it was at 8:30. I do apologize.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. While you're in that breakout room, as last time, do not answer your phone, text, or let it die out on you. It will kick you out of this meeting. We don't want that to happen because we want to keep you since we got you. Be mindful, you're in court. So when the judge is on the bench, you can't be walking around sleeping, talking, smoking, driving, nothing. You act like you're in court at all times. I'm gonna put you